In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add family members to Amazon Prime. We'll walk through the official method called Amazon Household, sometimes labeled Amazon Family, which lets you safely share Prime benefits with the people you live with. You can include one additional adult, up to 4 teens, and up to 4 children, all under a single household. Start on a desktop browser. Go to Amazon and sign into the account that has Prime. At the top of the page, hover over Accounts and Lists, then click your account. On that page, look for Amazon Household or Amazon Family. Open it, then choose Manage Your Household. This is the control center where you add and manage everyone who shares your Prime. From here, decide who you want to add. You'll see options to add an adult, a teen, or a child. Select the appropriate type, enter their email address, and send the invitation. Each person you invite will need to accept before they're included in your household. For adults specifically, sharing doesn't begin until they accept by email. If the invite doesn't arrive right away, have them check their spam or promotions folders, and make sure you use the email tied to their Amazon account to avoid delays. There are a few important rules. First, a household can have a maximum of 2 adults. Those adults must live at the same address and may be asked to share certain payment methods for eligible purchases and benefits. That's part of how Amazon enables shared access to features like shipping, content, and other Prime perks. If you remove an adult, there can be a waiting period of up to 180 days before you can add another adult to the household. So make removals and changes thoughtfully. For teens and children, the setup is designed with safety in mind. Teens get their own login and can shop or stream with oversight, while children are added as profiles suitable for younger family members. You can include up to 4 teens and 4 children in total. The invitation process is the same place you start. Manage your household, and it keeps everything organized so you can review who has access at any time. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth. Confirm that everyone you invite lists the same residential address in their Amazon settings, and remind adult invitees to accept the invitation promptly so sharing begins without interruption. If you ever need to revisit these settings, just return to your account, open Amazon Household, and manage invites, members, or removals from the same screen. That's it. Simple, secure, and all in one place.